Hello everyone, my name is Anis Susna Syafira from Diploma for Digital Office Administration 2020. In this video, I would like to share my research presentation with the title Analysis of Employee Placement in the Finance Division at PTX. The next slide is Chapter 1 Introduction. The background of the problem is, according to Dadan Fadili 2018, one of the things that companies can take advantage of as opportunities is human resource, which are the most important assets in achieving company goals. The division and classification of work for each employee will be a benchmark for the smooth running of the company. One of the determining factors in improving company performance is that companies must pay attention to employee placement issues. In order for a company to be productive, it must have quality human resource. Of course, this must be done with proper employee selection and placement. And then this is the background. From the results of the research, most employees feel that the job description given is appropriate, but they have problems with the job description given outside the job description given at the beginning, both in terms of employees who have worked for a long time or new employees such as interns. And then the next is research question and research purpose. The research question, the first is, what is the procedure for placing employees in the finance division at PTX? How are employee duties distributed regarding position placement in the finance division at PTX? The third is, what are the obstacles in placing employees? The, the fourth, what are the solutions to deal with these problems? And the research purpose, the first is knowing the influence of employee placement procedures in the finance division at PTX. The second is knowing the distribution of employee duties regarding position placement in the finance division at PTX. The third is knowing the obstacles in placing employees to face these problems. And the last is knowing solution in placing employees to face these problems. And then the benefits of research for a company. It is hoped that it will serve as a reference to company regarding matters relating to the placement of employee position at PTX. For the university, it is hoped that it can provide input for students who wish to do further writing as well as become reference material that can increase knowledge, especially regarding employee placement. And then, for the writers, it is hoped that the author can know and understand in more detail the problems regarding employee placement as well as the obstacles in placing employees so that employees can be placed in the right position. And then the chapter 2 literature review. The first is the concept is research and the human resource management. Human resource management is the process of training, employ, evaluating and paying attention to workforce management issues and their fairness. According to Hazan 2019, administrative activities such as recruitment, reward system, promotion, and so on are the most important stacks of human resource management because human resource management must create human resources that are proven to be of high quality to achieve organizational goals. And then the second is employee placement. According to Sauer in 2017, the placement of employee position must be carried out on the basis of appropriate job specifications and description because this can have a positive impact on the company because there is a positive relationship between placement and an employee's productivity. And Siagian 1998 believed that placement is not only aimed at prospective employees, but also at existing employees in new position and position. This theory is strengthened by the opinion of Siswan 2005. From this understanding, it can be said the placement can also take the form of promotion, transfers, and demotions. And then the previous research. The first is According to Rahman Mangkuluhur Delta Hakim and Arianto 2020, the title is Analysis of Employee Placement at Bina Didaktika Middle School. The second is Purba 2020. The title is Determination of Job Satisfaction and Employee Performance, Analysis of Employee Transfers and Employee Placements, Literature Review Human Resource Management. And the third is Sundarti and Dekanawati 2020. The title is Analysis of Recruitment, Selection, and Placement of Crew on Ship Crew Performance at PT MCS International Jakarta. And then this is the research methods. The first is Research Place, one of the private companies located at Jalan Bendungan Hilir. The research time is for 6 months, January 2024 until July 2024. The types of research is using qualitative research. The nature of research, the research is descriptive analysis. And data collection technique, the first is literature study, observation, interview, and documentation. And then the data validity technique, to test the validity of data in the research, the author used technical triangulation and data triangulation. And the research source and sample, the data in the research were obtained for employees who work where the author conducted the research. And then the data analysis technique, the research used qualitative data analysis with steps namely collection, data presentation, and conclusions. And then this is the results and discussion, data description, qualitative approach. This research is qualitative research which aims to find out how employee placement procedure occur at the company. And this is the participant data. For the participant A unit, supervisor, finance and payroll. Participant B, HR project. Participant C, supervisor procurement. Participant D, staff finance. And participant E, staff procurement. And then the result and discussion for the research. The first is employee placement procedures. The second is division of employee duties. The third is obstacles in employee placement. And then the last is solution in employee placement. And then the result is employee placement procedures. Placement procedure at PTX, it already exists in writing, but according to leaders from its division, this procedure has not been socialized. The second is division of tasks in employee placement. The distribution of employee duties in position placement at PTX is carried out in accordance with the employee's abilities in each field. The third is obstacles in employee placement. According to the leaders, they have distributed tasks in detail and according to the responsibilities of each employee, but according to some employees, they sometimes do work that is not their main job description. And the last is solution in employee placement. The result is the solution that leaders take is to carry out evaluation at least once every 6 months, while for some employees doing this work is to increase their skills. And then this is the conclusion. The procedure for placing employees in the finance division at PTX is good, although there has been no socializations of employee placement procedures for leaders. However, the distribution of employee tasks that is not appropriate and even can cause employee work productivity to decrease. And then the research limitation. The first is there were only 5 research participants, so that the result cannot be generalized to a large group of subjects. The second is research only use one variable using qualitative methods, so that the results were less than optimal. And then the recommendation, the first is for future research, they can add a larger number for participants so they can compare the significant influence of employee placement in a company. And second is it is hoped that future research will be able to examine more than one variable using quantitative methods so that they can develop a more comprehensive understanding of employee placement so that work can run effectively. So it is all my research presentation with the title Analysis of Employee Placement in the Finance Division at PTX. Sorry if there are any wrong words. Thank you.